Your left hand can still be straight. You notice that?
Yeah.
The right is swaying a lot, but the left need not. And you are stuttering there, you was kind of there, you are adjusting. Here it's better. There. Beautiful. What a change. So that position is wrong, Aditya. Okay? You can't go this. And that's why you're that angle. You see this angle there? What I mean is this one over here.
Your body is tilted.
That's tilted because you're going this. Whereas move it back. Look at the left hand position also.
The tilt is there in the first. See the thing is, see that the tilt comes from there because of your previous action. Still that effect is there, but you should to correct that you have to get this hand to the right pocket. You have to go there and then get it here. Then this shoulder will go back, this shoulder will come forward.
It's
That is
so
how
much
you
better.
correct. Otherwise, what happens when you go here, then you will go like that. But you need to now use the non-bowling arm better because your follow through is very good. See how much is bending. Nice, looks nice. And your left hand, the non-bowling arm should go when you go there. And then when you finish, this has to go there, right? Has to go right up.
Now you're restricting yourself. Allow that hand to go.
See, if this hand doesn't go, then this hand will not go that side fully. It will stop there. You have to go right there.
See how much sir is taking this position, right? Really. Only then you're bending down also. Right? Don't restrict it. Allow the hand.
Since you bend so much, the left hand is still not going because you are not using the hand. From there, this hand has to come to the left hip and automatically it will go back. But you are like that. So you are losing at least 40% speed. More than 40%.
Yesterday we were talking about this. You're getting this hand, push the elbow up. What you're doing is you're lifting the hand. That's why it's like that. For what sir is saying about pull, if you move here and you push this elbow up, you'll be in a good position to pull. If you're like this, how can you pull? Correct? Like this versus, I mean when I'm saying this to him, it's applicable to all of you guys too. Make sure that the elbow in this non-bowling arm, keep it loose, thumbs up, and you go push the elbow up and tighten it, then it will stop. Okay? When you go up there, then you're in a very good position to pull the non-bowling arm and don't bring it across. And you have to improve the running a bit more, meaning the way that you're running on the left hand can be much straighter.
Both hands should be on the side. It can never come in front. See, if it is like this, then you will start going like that. If it is like this, then you will be able to go in front and load up like that. That is very, very essential. These are all non-negotiables.
See this position over here, Aditya, where's the elbow? That's where the problem is. No? When you move, the elbow has not moved back. The elbow is stopped here. It cannot stop there, it has to go. You have to push it back. It's just a question of habit. It's way better than what it was before. Definitely way better. And that's why you're able to finish more. Earlier your weight was behind initially, you remember?
Yesterday or day before, when you started really pushing the left hand up, then you are bowling better line, better speed. It is this hand which gives you speed and accuracy. This hand does nothing. All of you think because you are a right hand bowler, you have to use right hand. You forget about it. It is the left hand which is important. It is the bowling hand, literally. This hand does whatever this hand could do, this hand does. That's it. See that how the sand is going like that here, here it is much better, see that. and you have to close that. See, if it is open, then it will drop. If you close that, then you will get a habit of pulling that arm. When you pull this arm goes that side twice the speed.
And the other thing, this is again applicable for all of you, when the elbow doesn't move, when the hand is here, in his case, the hand is already here. In certain other people, the hand will be here. But when you move the hand elbow back, the thumb should be touching the right pocket, the bowling side. It should, there. This should happen. Because the elbow stops, you see where your hand is over here. It's already turned. If it is turned, your hand can only go away. Whereas if it's here, I can go right behind in line with my shoulder.
That will make you to go forward.
Also.
More than anything else, if your hand goes like this, when you are like this, I'm not moving, but it makes it, this hand makes me to go forward. So you are already going towards the batsman. So imagine in that momentum you go towards the batsman, then this arm is going to come much faster.
Yeah? See, look at the way the hands move. You see, it's here to here versus it could be straight here to here. That's the difference.
No. First day his hand was going too far outside, far better than what it was.
Yes, sir. Definitely.
Far better than what it was.
And that's the one that gives you that feeling of the bent arm. You see that? Nobody should say that to you. And if you have to correct,
on the right, then.
to the left.
No, if your hand doesn't turn over at the right place, you will have a bent arm. On the right, it is. On the left, it is more pronounced. On the
See,
left,
when we correct fast bowlers who are, or bowlers who are having suspect action, one of the key things that we work on is the load. Because the minute this happens, this for some people will be bent. Whereas this happens, then it becomes much easier. Alright? So, because tomorrow if somebody comes and says, you have a suspect action, you lose, it's very demoralizing. Right? And you lose interest in bowling. You might have bowled very legal, but the naked eye they might say you are throwing. Those are things we can avoid. Alright?
nice follow through. You are bending a lot, but still you are not putting in enough effort to generate that speed.
That's also because of what Sir said just now, where the left hand is not going up. You have to go down this to go up. Allow that hand to move free. Super job. Any questions? Any questions?